Hello everyone, this is an Aimsun video and I will show you how to export data, how to use lists or similar to Vissim those lists and table views where you can list all your objects. I would like to thank you before I move on, all the members on Patreon and on YouTube who signed up to support the channel. Thank you very much for your support. So, in Vissim, you can just right click on an object and you can just look at the list, like list everything in a list view in the bottom. But in Aimsun you can't do that. You need to go to Windows, Window, and click Table View. You can't see anything by first. You need to select the object type. I have a simple network created, so I want to list all the nodes. Nodes are like intersections or junctions where you connect sections together. So I have this and it shows all of them. If you want to copy data out, you can select and you can click copy, or you can click copy here from actions. If you go here to your Excel, you can paste it and it will only paste the ones that you selected. If you want to select all, you click away from there and there is a copy. And if you do that, it will put all the objects shown here in the window viewer. There are some features that can be helpful. So there is one called selected in view. If I select a node, it will only show the nodes that's selected. You can also select another one. And then it will show that. It's important that in Aimsun you need to use Shift and not Control for multiple selections. You can also do visible. Visible means as you move your screen, it will filter down the objects visible on your screen. So as you can see, as I filter down, it only shows the ones that is visible or that are visible. There is also an option called filtered. If you have a lot of data, a lot of objects, and you want to filter it down, it allows you to create like a little query. It's very simple, so don't expect a lot, but you can select the, let's say the attribute. So I'm going to select external ID. You can see there is another ID. In Aimsun, there is a thing called Aimsun ID. Every object has an ID and they can't be the same. So basically the ID starts from 1. And whenever you create a new object, regardless of the type, it's going to have a new ID. So ID number 1 can be a node, can be a function, a section, a link, whatever. But when you create a new one, it will increment that counter, that ID. If you want to use your own external ID, so if you want to set a set of IDs you want to use, the way you define it, use external ID. And so if you, or name, as you can see there is a name and then there's an external ID field, and this is the Aimsun ID. This node 664, that is the Aimsun ID. You can get this data, you can modify this data here. So you can put and you can overwrite it the way you want, but you cannot paste it. So if you export this data and let's say you change it, you can't paste it back. You can't even paste it. If you copy it from here, it doesn't allow you to paste it back. So you can't do that. You need to write scripts or you need to do it manually. I will show you how to do it with scripts in later videos, but let's not go there just yet. So when you do filter, you can select external ID and let's say you want to use the ones that has 2 in it, and then you click apply. And then it shows you all external ID that has a 2 in it. It's more like a text So it's like in Excel when you use the filter. So it unfortunately it cannot do just like two. So it will give you all objects that has two appearing in it as a character, basically. It is quite useful, I think, to use this. It can be very handy if you can just export your data here. You can do a lot of, you know, understand what's going on, make some statistics and stuff. So that's it for today. This is just a simple one. I hope you found it helpful. And again, as I said, if you want to support me, I would appreciate it. Even just a like and subscribe or a comment to the videos would help the algorithm to promote my videos. But you can also sign up on YouTube or on Patreon, link is shown below, as a supporting member. And thanks for watching, and leave your comments below in terms of what videos you want to see, or if I missed something or something is not clear. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.